Hey guys, welcome back to my video today. I'm trying to film a video for, can you shush for a minute, please? My dog is literally making noise. The moment I start filming a video, he starts making a lot of noise. Literally the minute I start filming it, he starts making a lot of noise. Bruh. Well, here's some bloopers for you guys. I'm waiting until he's done howling, and then I'll make a video. Well. Also, by the way, if you guys wonder, that's my gown from my graduation, if you guys ever wonder. I'll make a video on that, dedicated to that by itself. Don't you just love dogs? Funny about this video is supposed to be talking about like how I have showing my background and the cap and gown there. That's what this video is supposed to be about, but this is a blooper now. So it's not even me that makes mistakes, it's like when there's things in the background. Bye guys, see you next video.